Hey guys, it's a Monday and I'm starting this vlog on Monday, but I haven't even uploaded my last one. I feel so sad. I missed it by a day. I know I've been pretty good for the past several weeks to get it on Sunday. Last night with my meeting, and then I just thought I could do it quicker, and then it was taking forever to export. So I gotta show you guys, I got a few little packages. I'm not gonna tell you what this is, but this is going to my wish haul. We'll see. More to come on that. I also got 2 boxes. I got my Grays, and quickly this time I got veggie protein power. I got rhubarb jam, which is like fruit. This is rhubarb, apples, and cranberries. Excited for that. Snickerdoodle dip. I might want to try different food boxes too, just to like branch out. So if you guys have any that you like, let me know. Pumpkin spice flapjack. That's got jalapeno cheese taco. Got the cheese board, which I'm pretty sure is the same one. Oh, maybe not. I thought it was the same one I got before, but maybe it's a different one. I got peanut butter and jelly. Can't wait to try that. And then soy roasted seeds, so pumpkin and sunflower. But I also got this in the mail today. So if you guys didn't know, this went on a pre-order when it sold out. Did get my blood sugar palette. It is really gorgeous. I am in love with the packaging. I think that it is so unique, and I love that it is different than every other palette you see out there. It's really well made. And this is what she looks like. You guys have probably seen this. Tomorrow, which is Tuesday, I am off, and I plan on filming a face full of first impressions. So featured in that is definitely going to be this palette. I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs Shameless Foundation and then the new Laura Mercier concealer. So I've got a lot of fun new things to use, and this will definitely be so much fun to play with. I've just got to look through my stuff and see what else I have new, because, open up, okay. So okay, it's still a mess. Don't judge. But I got my second drawer set up, and as you can see, it's pretty packed, but I do have a couple drawers that aren't filled with anything, and I am working on it. I'm just not sure if I'm happy with how I have things set up, because I kind of went like side by side, like these are the same thing, and I don't know if I want to do these are the same instead of those, but I don't know. And then I literally just started making this random lip drawer for like things that I don't have multiples of. Like if I have only 1 or 2, I just threw it in here. I don't know. It's a little bit better to me to have them all in one place than scattered about, but it's still kind of chaotic. And then I'm still kind of want to redo my shelves a little bit. My vanity itself though is looking a lot more put together and a lot neater than it normally does, because I usually ride the struggle bus and I leave huge messes, but not right now. I'm gonna put some brushes up really quick. That's it for now, guys. I'm about to eat some Chinese food, which I have been craving like all day. I just, like this morning I started thinking, ooh, Chinese sounds good, and then I had to have it. So I usually get vegetable fried rice and egg drop soup, so nothing too bad. I mean, it's still fried rice, but I'm gonna eat that and relax, and then tomorrow I'm going to film some videos, and we'll probably go do something together. I'll take you guys with me. I don't know where I'll go. Do I want to go to TJ Maxx again? Maybe. Maybe I want to go to a different TJ Maxx. I don't know. Or I might just do something else altogether. I may just find something to do. Maybe I'll tweet you guys and say, what should I vlog tomorrow? Twitter and Snapchat I've been way more active on lately, especially Snapchat. I have been really active lately, so maybe I'll put it on one of those. You guys should follow me. I'll link those down below. And I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, what's up? It's Tuesday. It is my day off. Excuse all my bare skin. And I know I look pretty pasty white, but it's okay. We're gonna be all right. So I am about to go for a really long, hey, hi. Are you trying to get us or, no. You're mean. Why you mean? Let me pet you. Okay. Alright, I'm about to go for a walk. I just put sunscreen on my face, and then I realized it's getting a little bit warm, so I wanted to show some skin and get a little bit of sunlight, get some of that vitamin D, because some of it's good. But I put these Supergoop Everyday Sunscreen on my face. This is like my favorite, especially when I'm not wearing a lot of makeup. I love this sunscreen. So it's Supergoop. It is hydrating, so like I put a very thin layer of moisturizer, and then I just kind of layered up with this. I definitely want to protect my skin from not only like sun, skin cancer, that type of things, but your girl is trying not to age. So I'm going to use the Supergoop Superpower Sunscreen Mousse on my arms and legs. So everything that's showing, I'm going to use that. I also like this because it's like the only sunscreen that doesn't burn my face. I don't know what it is about it. I know they're very conscious about what goes into it, but usually with like regular sunscreens, my face will be burning. It'll burn my eyes, like everything. So this one doesn't give me any irritation, so it's an A+ in my book. So I'm about to put those on, and then I'm gonna go walk around my neighborhood. I'm probably gonna try to do a little bit of like jogging, running, but I just wanna be outside. I might go to the gym later on as well and work out legs. My arms are really sore, but I might do like legs, core, maybe back. I'm not sure about that though. I'm definitely going for a long walk though. I'm gonna go get ready. I'm gonna put my shoes on, sunscreen up, and then go for a walk, and I'll check in with you guys later. Hey guys, it is still Tuesday. It's Tuesday. It is still my day off, and I'm loving my makeup right now, girl. I just filmed my face full of first impressions, and then I drove into town and I went to Starbucks. I went to Starbucks and I got just a little tall caramel frappuccino. Damn, the sun is disrespecting me at the moment. Like, it was all like pretty afternoon light, and then the sun just went pow in my eye. But I guess it probably looks, does it look better? Besides the shadow. So I'm at JCPenney. Can you see? Can you see? That's JCPenney. I'm here and I'm looking for a maxi dress and a blender, preferably like a little small blender. Thank you. Clouds kind of took away the sun's disrespect. So I'm gonna go in here real quick. I'm likely going to go to TJ Maxx because it's like right over there. And then if I still haven't found a blender, I'm gonna go into Target. I don't really want to go into Target. I'm not in a Target mood, but I might have to. There's also an Ulta over there. Do I want to go to Ulta? I don't know. Alright guys, I'm back in the car. I did not vlog at all in JCPenney. There were not many people shopping, but there were a lot of people working. And, you know, I tend to be super awkward. But now I'm pulling in a TJ Maxx. I'm about to go in here. I'll talk to you guys soon. So far I found this, which will go in my next giveaway because I have it and I love it. Anastasia highlighter, Anastasia eyeshadow, and this is the Too Cool for School lip balm. It's really cute. And it's these. Okay, first of all, Cats and Coffee. And it says Catfinated. It's so me. Hey guys, it is, oh my god, I don't know what day it is. I think it's Thursday. Is it Thursday? Hold on. It's Thursday, and I think I failed on vlogging yesterday. Sorry if I'm yelling. I just got this huge package from CoverGirl. Like, I am blown away. It is raining out, so this is like super soft. Y'all get away from the knife. So I was actually put on their PR list, which blew me away. I have no idea what's in here, so we're about to find out. Oh my god. This is legit. I'm so excited. Like, I could cry right now. Oh my god. So I'm just reading the card they sent me. So I don't know what all this is going to be. If it's just, oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. I could cry. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. No, don't cry. Oh my god. Are you serious? I'm tripping out right now. Oh my god.
What does my face tell you? Does it say that I'm vain? Or does it tell you that I'm strong? That I'll run this company someday? My face can be bold when you expect me to be weak. It can be subtle, innocent, sensual, as comforting as your best friend's laugh. With highlighter, lipstick, and mascara, I express who I am right now and who I want to be. CoverGirl. I am what I make up.
I'm sorry guys, I am choked up right now. I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna stop filming and I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, I am at work. I haven't gone in yet. I'm about 20 minutes early. So I'm just sitting in my car. I took a little selfie, but ooh, this lighting. I always park, you're gonna laugh at me. I park in the parking deck on a higher level where it's open so that I always have good light. So if you see some of my selfies on Instagram and you're like, oh, the light, that's why I park here. So this morning I'm crazy today. So I already drank my coffee, my little fries before guys cup. One of my coworkers over there, he's waiting on, there's 3 of us going in, so he's probably waiting on her. But I'm doing that. Then I have tea. So I've got my skinny tea. That's what I'm drinking. For breakfast, I also have a smoothie. This is the ones I showed you guys in, I think, 2 vlogs ago that I bought. I'll show you them again. This one's really good. It's got like cranberries. I think it had mango, kale. It had a lot of good stuff in it. It's a little thick because it's sat for a little bit, but it's really good. And I also bought the little blender. Did I show you guys? I don't think I did. I'll have to show you. I bought one from JCPenney and it was only $20. And you like mix it in the cups. This is the big cup and they have a smaller one and it's really convenient. I also have my lunch in a little Sephora bag. So I'm like being super healthy for lunch. So I brought some edamame, which I can steam in the microwave. And then I brought 2 little Graze packets just in case I feel like I need a more snack. This one is jalapeno cheese taco. It's 140 calories. Looks like that. And this one is cheese flavored cashews, jalapeno chickpeas, and chili broad beans. And then I also brought this one, which is, I really don't know how to say this, baobab and raspberry clusters. It's apple pieces and pumpkin seeds. So that's what that looks like. So I don't know. I just picked out a few to bring and I'll eat them at some point. I do work 9 to 6 today. I have kind of a long day. I'm going to upload my teeth whitening tonight. So that's cool and it has a giveaway. So if you're seeing this vlog and you haven't watched that video, be sure to check it out because you can win a whitening system. And they're doing that for all US, UK, and Canadian residents. So that's what's going on with that. And then I'll also have another video coming up that's going to be like a spring, I guess I'm going to call it a lookbook, but I'm going to have a giveaway in that one as well. And it's a really cool giveaway because it's a really cool item that I gave you guys a sneak peek of in my last vlog. So that's what's going on. There's lots of stuff and I will definitely be showing you guys. I'm sorry that like I got choked up yesterday. Like that CoverGirl box, I don't know, it just felt like hard work paying off. And here's my coworker, so I gotta go. I love you guys. Bye.
Hey guys.
You're so natural. Hey guys, it's Saturday night. We're vlogging and we're at, what's this place called?
Hometown, Sports Bar and Grill.
And we're trying to pick out what we want to drink.
As you can see, we just got off work.
Yes, and work. It was Saturday night, so it was rough. We need a drink. So we're looking at all these drink names. So I can't decide if I want an electric slide or what's a somersault?
I don't know. It looks
That's vanilla, pineapple, and grenadine. I think I need a somersault.
a red velvet cake shot though.
Yeah.
Or we could get razzmatazz.
I don't know what razzmatazz is. If any of you guys know, then put that down below.
If it's liquor, you know, just we'll take it.
I look a little rough right now.
Oh, me too.
What's going on?
It was a long day. 14 hours.
So yeah, we're gonna get some drinks and we'll check in with you guys later. Show you our drinks.
Bye guys, see you in a minute.
Okay, so we're checking back in. I've got my drink. I got a somersault and it's very sweet and fruity and it's almost gone.
I got a green monster. It's a bit sour like me.
And we already I'll show you guys pickles. They're already gone.
They were too damn good. You can't beat fried pickles.
So if you're not from the South, fried pickles are pickles that are fried.
Side patio.
So we're gonna get another order of those and then we'll check in with you.
Yeah, we're just out here talking about our olden days and the glow up.
So yeah, we'll check in with you guys later.
Definitely. Bye.
Hey guys, so we have finished our drinks. Boy, I look white. We had our pickles and drinks, and now it's time to go home.
Yes.
And get some sleep before Easter.
Long day of work. Thumper's coming tonight.
Thumper's coming. So,
gonna leave.
Oh, and this is, I'll show you the sign. So that's the little place we were at called On Tap. I'm off tomorrow. I'm gonna film a lookbook and at least one other video tomorrow. Probably my March favorites.
And I'm gonna drink wine and watch romance movies and cry my eyes out. No, I'm just gonna have a good day.
Yeah.
Maybe go hiking. I think it's supposed to be pretty, so.
Yeah.
I think, get a little nature in under my belt tomorrow.
I'm gonna stay inside. Well, no, I gotta film my lookbook outside. I'm lying. So I'm gonna be outside too.
We might even tag along. You never know.
You never know. Okay, guys.
Good
we'll
night.
talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, it's Sunday. It is Easter, so happy Easter if you celebrate. I am finally putting on some makeup. I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm running so behind on the day and like what I wanted to be doing. So I'm putting some makeup on and I wanted to film 3 videos, which I think I can still do, but one of them is my lookbook. I'm trying to get that done obviously while there's a daylight because I wanted to do some outside little things, and it's already like 4:30. I'm putting on some makeup, like I said. I'm gonna film at least, I'm gonna try to film 3 videos. It's a lot, but I'm trying to get a lookbook. I'm trying to get my March favorites, and of course I'm doing my vlog, and then I want to do another video featuring some of the CoverGirl stuff that I got because I'm excited to try it out. But I did want to go ahead and end this vlog. That way I can put it up later on for you guys in between filming some videos. I know this vlog was not as exciting as the last couple. I felt like the last couple were a little bit better. But it's okay, we had a little fun, and next week's vlog should be a little bit better because I do have 3 days off, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so that should be exciting to have my weekend off in there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't before. I would love to have you as a subby, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!